Decimal to binary conversion. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow these steps. Step 1. Divide the decimal number by 2, the base of the binary number system. Step 2. Note down the quotient and the remainder. Step 3. Divide the quotient obtained again by 2 and note down the resulting quotient and remainder. Step 4. Repeat the procedure till you reach a quotient less than 2. Step 5. List the last quotient and all the remainders moving from bottom to top. You will get your binary number. Look at the given examples to understand the conversion better. Example 1. Convert the 26 with the base 10 to binary number. The binary equivalent of 26 with the base 10 is 11010. In other words, 26 with a base 10 is equal to 11010 with a base 2. Start listing the last quotient and all the remainders from here. Example 2. Convert the 64 with the base 10 to binary number. 64 with a base 10 is equal to 1000000 with a base 2.